Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides powder. To begin, simply add 2 scoops of the powder to your favorite beverage. It dissolves effortlessly in both hot and cold liquids, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer a morning coffee, a refreshing smoothie, or just plain water, incorporating collagen into your daily routine is simple and convenient. Let's explore some popular ways to enjoy it. For the best results, consistency is truly key. Aim to take your collagen peptides daily, integrating them into your routine whenever it's most convenient for you. While some individuals prefer consuming it on an empty stomach in the morning, others find it works well with meals. The most important thing is to make it a regular habit, ensuring you get the benefits consistently over time. Beyond just beverages, there are many creative ways to incorporate collagen into your diet. Try blending it into your morning smoothie for an extra protein boost, or stir it into your oatmeal or yogurt. You can even bake with it. Adding collagen to muffins, pancakes, or other recipes is a fantastic way to get your daily dose without altering the taste or texture of your favorite foods. Get creative and enjoy. To maximize the benefits of your collagen peptides, consider pairing them with vitamin C, which can enhance absorption. Staying well hydrated throughout the day also supports overall skin health and the effectiveness of collagen. Remember, while collagen is generally safe, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any specific dietary concerns or health conditions. Enjoy the journey to better wellness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.